How to know who visited my Snapchat profile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to know who visited my Snapchat profile. First of all, open the Snapchat app. Once you get into its app, click to go into chats. Then, tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. Now scroll down and view your public profile from here. After that, you can tap on enter to start exploring your map. And then from here, you will be able to see who viewed your profile. You can check it out in your specific area, city, or country. If you're concerned about your privacy on Snapchat, you can take steps to enhance your privacy settings, such as adjusting who can send you snaps or view your stories. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.